Hi all, we are PTE for sure. We are providing complete training to successfully crack PTE exam with your desired score. We will provide you tips and tricks to get 65 and 79 in PTE. After enrolling, our course's material would be provided online. For more information, kindly contact through WhatsApp or other details mentioned in the video.
The solar system is depicted in the following graph. This is a stunning image that conveys a lot of information. Jupiter is the largest planet in this diagram, and it is brown in color. The second largest planet, Saturn, may be seen in this graph, and its color is brown. Mercury is the smallest of the planets, followed by Mars, Earth, Venus, Neptune, and Uranus. Finally, this image is quite instructive.
The graph below shows information on the core. According to the image, there is an inner core that extends 800 miles, 1,300 kilometers, from the inside to the outside. After that, there's the outer core, which is 1,400 miles long and 2,250 kilometers wide. Then there's the mantle, which stretches for 1,800 miles, 2,900 kilometers. The crust is the most distant, measuring 5 to 25 miles, 8 to 40 kilometers. Finally, the core has a highly complicated structure.
The graph below depicts ancient Egypt's trading patterns. It demonstrates how the procedure is carried out. Importing and exporting commodities are two of the steps. The initial step, according to this diagram, is to acquire cedar oil and wood from Lebanon. The second step, according to this graph, is to import copper, precious stones, and gold from Nubia. The third step, as seen in this graph, is to import slaves and animals from Africa. The next step, as seen in this graph, is to import horses, fruit, and honey from other countries. Exporting linen, tools, bread, and weaponry to other countries is the ultimate phase. Finally, this graph is quite useful.
The graph below depicts information regarding teaching as a profession. There are items for final year students who wish to be teachers, graduate students working in education, and teachers who are employed in the profession. The value of final year students who aspire to be teachers is roughly 1%, according to this graph. Graduate students working in teaching have a value of roughly 7%, which is higher. As you can see from the graph, the highest percentage of people employed in the teaching area is about 95%. This graph also shows that the lowest value, around 1%, is seen among final year students who desire to be teachers. Finally, the best paying job in the teaching area is teaching as a career.
The following graph depicts the distribution of rainforests in South America. According to this graph, the majority of rainforest is found in Brazil, Bolivia, Peru, Colombia, and Suriname, and is classified as tropical rainforest. Along the eastern coast of South America, near to the Atlantic Ocean, we can also find a narrow, lengthy tract of tropical rainforest. Another length runs parallel to the Pacific Ocean on South America's northwest coast. We notice dark green temperate rainforests in Chile, South America's southernmost country. Finally, this is an educational map.
If you like our video, kindly subscribe our channel and also press below bell icon. Thank you.